You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two screws that hold the metal bracket, securing the ignition coils to the engine. Remove the plastic protection from the ignition coils. Using a socket wrench and a female E12 Torx socket, unscrew the two screws holding the ignition coil block. You can now carefully remove the coils, wiggling them gently side to side. Careful, the coils are fragile. It is important to handle them with care. You can leave them in the engine compartment so you don't have to unplug them. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Once freed, remove the socket wrench and finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug and put it in place on the spark plug socket. Then screw it back on. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put all the coils back in, forcing them in as much as possible. Retighten the two screws holding the coil assembly. Put the plastic protection back in. Position the metal bracket, then retighten the two screws. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.